how many different ways can the letters of the word, how many different ways can the letters of the word corporation be arranged so that vowels come together? Again, the condition is vowels come together. Okay. Now, what are the vowels available? O is a vowel. O is again there. A, I, O. Okay. I will put them together. O, O, A, I, O. And remaining words, remaining letters, CRP, okay, CRP, RT, RT, N, okay. So totally if you see 3, 6, 9, 11 letters are there. Corporation, we are having 11 letters, okay. Here I covered 5 and here I covered 6. Now these are 6 letters, these are 6 letters. Vowels come together, so we have to consider this as one letter. So totally 7 letters are there. They can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. But here R is repeated. Okay, here R is repeated. So divided by 2 factorial we have to do. Okay, because R is repeated 2 times, we have to do divide by 2 factorial. Here O is repeated. Vowels can be arranged among themselves in 5 factorial ways because 5 letters are there. Okay, so 5 factorial ways. But O is repeated 3 times, so divided by 3 factorial we have to do. Okay, O is repeated 3 times. Here O is repeated, O, O, O. That's why we are doing divided by 3 factorial. Here R is repeated, so totally 6 factorial ways we can do. Divided by 2 factorial because R is repeated 2 times. Now we have to multiply these to simplify what will be the answer. Okay, this is the method how we have to proceed. If you see here, corporation is having 11 letters. If we separate vowels, you can put them together either at the beginning or at the ending. So 5 letters are there, 5 letters are there, and remaining 6 letters are there. So totally we are considering this complete vowels as 1 letter, complete vowels as 1 letter, and here we are having 6 letters. Okay, because the condition is vowels should come together. Vowels should come together. That's the reason we are taking vowels together as 1 letter. So totally 7 letters. So 7 factorial ways are possible. Okay, 7 factorial ways are possible. And here what I have done is a small mistake. I have taken only the consonants. Okay, only the consonants. That's why I have written here like this. But you have to calculate for the full. Okay, you have to calculate for the full thing. You have to take it for all the, because here we are totally going to have 7 letters. Here we are totally going to have 7 letters equal to 7. Okay, here the screen is out of the border. So total is 7. Total is 7 letters. Okay, and hence for the total, how many ways? 7 factorial is the total possibility. 7 factorial is the total possibility. R is repeated 2 times, so divided by 2 factorial we have to do. And apart from that, vowels among themselves, they can be arranged in 5 factorial ways, and O is repeated 3 times, that's why divided by 3 factorial. That is what done here. The complete word, 7 letters are there. That's the reason 7 factorial. Okay, R is repeated 2 times, that's why divided by 2 factorial. So if you calculate the value, we know how to calculate factorial. Okay, 7 factorial means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7. 2 factorial means 1 into 2. Okay, if you simplify, it will come 25, 20. And then only vowels, if you consider, only they are together anywhere in the beginning or at the end. 5 letters are there, so they can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. But O is repeated 3 times, that's why divided by 3 factorial we have to put. If you calculate the value, 5 factorial means 1 into 2 into up to 5. 3 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3. If you simplify, that becomes 20. Okay, now we have to multiply these two, because these are the two conditions what we are doing. Total 7 letters and R is repeated 2 times. This is the thing. And among the vowels, it is 5 factorial and O is repeated 3 times. Okay, and we have to multiply this total in order to satisfy the given question condition, whatever given in the question. Okay, come together. Vowels come together. Okay, and the total different ways the letters in the word should be arranged. What is the total ways? Different ways the letters in the word should be arranged. Given word is corporation. Okay, the final is 50400 is the final answer. I am going to next problem. Now it is combination. Okay, NCR means n factorial by n minus r factorial. Additionally, one more r factorial will come in the denominator. So if you operate 20 factorial by 20 minus 17 factorial into 17 factorial in the denominator. Factorials, you know how to calculate. 20 factorial means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 20. 17 factorial means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 17. Up to 16, it will get cancelled in the numerator denominator. So finally, you will have numerator 20 into 19 into 18. Denominator, this 3 factorial is there because 17 factorial already got cancelled with the numerator. 3 factorial means 1, 2, 3. Okay. If you simplify this, 1140 is coming and option B is the correct answer. This is about combination. And coming to the next problem, I am going to next problem. A bag contains 2 white marbles, 3 black marbles and 4 red marbles. Okay, a bag is containing 2 white marbles, 3 black marbles and 4 red marbles. Find in how many ways 3 marbles can be drawn. Drawn means taken out. Okay, drawn means taken out of the bag. So that at least 1 black marble is included in each draw. 3 marbles you are drawing one by one. 3 marbles you are taking out from the bag one by one. Okay. In each draw, okay, 3 chances are there. And see that out of the 3 trials, at least one should be black marble. Okay. This is the first time I am taking out 1 marble. Second time I am taking out another marble. Third time I am taking out another marble. Okay. So here if you see, first time if I take, okay, black marble. The second and third choices are there. Second time I may take white marble, third time red marble. Otherwise, second and third time white marble only, no red marble is coming out. Otherwise, no white marble is coming out. Second time, third time, red marble only. This is the first choice. Okay, first way, first possibility. First time means first possibility. Okay, this is one method of happening for satisfying the condition. Now, second possibility. What is the second possibility that can happen? So, first 2 times I can get only black marbles. So, only third chance is there. Third chance may be white marble, no red marbles are coming out. Otherwise, no white marbles are there. Third time, 1 red marble is coming out. This is the second possibility. Now, coming to the third possibility. All the 3 times I am getting only black marble, so the other things will not happen. Okay, these are the things in order to satisfy the condition in the question. What is the condition? At least 1 black marble should be taken out, and we are doing the trial 3 times. Okay, we are doing the 3 marbles. In general, they are giving 3 marbles, whichever may be, the color whichever may be, 3 times we are taking out marbles from the bag. Actually, the bag is having 2 white marbles, 3 black marbles and 4 red marbles. Now you check how to do this. First chance, already first possibility we have finalized. First time black marble. Total black marbles are 3 in number. So I am writing 3C1. Okay, I am writing 3C1. Next 2 chances are, it may be 1 white, 1 red. So white marbles we are having 2 in number. So 2C1 means 1 white marble from the total 2. 4C1 means 4 red marbles are there. We are taking out 1 red marble. So this is completed. Okay, this is completed. And this is the thing I am underlining and tick mark. This is the thing what we are doing. Okay. Now second thing. First black marble completed. Next is 2 times white marble only. And totally we are having 2 white marbles. So 2C2. Okay. And no red marbles. 4 red marbles are there. So 4C0. Okay, 4C0, and this thing completed. 2 white marbles and 0 red marbles completed. Okay. Now coming to the third chance. First time black marble. Next white marbles are not coming. Both the times, second and third, we are having red marbles. Already first time black marble, we are putting 3C1 here. Okay. And now 2C0 means no white marbles are there. Total white marbles are 2. We are not taking any white marbles. So 2C0. And 2 red marbles are there. Totally 4 are there red marbles. 4C2. Okay. We know how to calculate NCR. How to calculate NCR? So n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. If you simplify for every term, do addition, multiplication wherever required. Based on that, the first possibility, while answer is coming as 45. Okay. Now the second possibility, first two times black marble. First two times black marble. Totally we are having 3 black marbles now. So 2 times black marble means we are taking out of the 3 black marbles, 2 times black marbles we are taking, 3C2. Then only third chance is there. It may be white marble, no red marbles coming out. So 2 white marbles are there, 2C1. 1 we are taking out. In the bag, 2 white marbles are there. We are taking out 1 white marble, 2C1. No red marbles means 4C0. Okay. Otherwise, it may be 0 white marble and 1 red marble. So 2C0 means we are not taking any white marble. Red marble 1 means out of the 4 we are taking 1 red marble. If you calculate as per the formula and simplify wherever addition multiplication is there, the value is coming as 18. Okay. Then the third chance, third possibility, all the 3 taking out marbles are black in number. So totally 3 black marbles, 3C3, value is 1. If you add this 45, 18 and 1, the final answer is coming out as 64. So option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, this model is also very, very famous in competitive exams. They will be asking this particular model. To kindly understand, I have done it very easily by the side. I have written whatever.